In this video, we're going to look at the clavicle and then also the scapula. So here is the clavicle, commonly referred to as our collarbone. Next is the scapula. So our scapula is commonly referred to as our shoulder blade. So let's look at the parts of the scapula. First is the spine of the scapula, which you see right here. So that is the spine right there. Coming off of the spine, we see this part that sticks out. This part that sticks out is called the acromion process. So that is the acromion process there. The other part that sticks off that you see is a coracoid process. So that one's a coracoid process. And this one comes close to this right here. That is the glenoid cavity. That's where the head of the humerus attaches in. Next, that glenoid cavity is always going to be lateral. So this side of the scapula here, which is on the same side as that glenoid cavity, is going to be the lateral border. So that makes this side here the medial border. Next, if we turn this like so, you can see a little part that is this little notch out there. That's called the suprascapular notch. So that's a suprascapular notch. And then above the spine, this area here above the spine is called the supraspinous fossa, so it's superior to the spine. And this area that's below the spine is called the infraspinous fossa, so inferior to the spine. Next, to know whether this is a left or right, the spine is always going to be dorsal and the glenoid cavity is always going to be lateral. So this has to be a right scapula, where this one here, spine is dorsal, glenoid cavity is lateral, this is a left.